Today we're going to be taking a look at this bunch of artificial flowers. They look similar to baby's breath and they do come in a bunch of 12, and each bunch is pretty full, so it's not going to take much in order to fill or decorate whatever you are using these for. So these right here, they do look very realistic and they're going to be able to be used for a variety of different things. Whether you are decorating for a birthday party, wedding, any sort of occasion, these are going to look great even though they aren't real. So just some of the ways that you're going to be able to use these artificial flowers is, imagine if there was some sort of dessert on top of this little stand. You're going to be able to put these flowers around it just to make it look a little bit nicer. Or if you take a look up here, you're going to be able to use them as fillers. We have just a few other flowers in with these filler flowers, and what we did was we actually separated them to make them a little bit fuller. Along with that, if you do find that they are too long for your jars and they just don't really look right, you are going to be able to cut the stems down, or you can also cut down the grass or the flowers to how you want it, cut it into individual pieces, whatever you want to do with how you are going to be decorating with these flowers. They're going to be very customizable, and whatever idea that you have with these flowers, you're most likely going to be able to do just that. And you're going to be able to make it look just as realistic as real flowers would. So if you are a decorator, or if you're just looking for a way to make your area look a little bit more fancy, but you don't want to have real flowers, this right here is a great alternative.